operator. Just pulled up to a customer's house and we have a small wash to do today. And it's just of a small patio. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what we got. And this wash is for a family friend. And like I said, it's just of a small patio. Screened-in patio. And we'll take a look around. But this is it right here. So a couple things we're gonna have to look out for. One, of course. Two, of course. Just water being able to enter the home. Big deal. Make sure we stay away from that. Tape that up. And the fan. Once again, I like to take video, not only for YouTube, but just to document what we got going on. Anything that's busted or just not all together where it needs to be. Watch that. So cobwebs, screens, all over the place. Screens all over the place, kind of busted. So just really want to document all that stuff and just show them what we got going on. But this is it. This is all we're doing right here. So just want to show you what we got. This thing is super dirty. All that. Didn't want no SHU, so we're using pressure. Plus, I don't want to use as much SH with all that stuff going on there. That up there is just calling for trouble. So we're just going to use pressure on this one. It's not too big. Really doesn't matter at this point. Since this is a painted surface, we're not going to use my surface cleaner here. We're just going to stick to the wand. Boom. And also, be very careful when it comes to stuff like that. Right there. Water intrusion. So we're going to take it light and easy. Light and easy. Definitely light and easy. Let me show you one thing. Made a video last week or a couple weeks ago on how brick is a porous material and why I like to wet mines before I use SH. Man, if you see how quick this thing soaks up into the brick, you'll be surprised. I wet it before I put any type of SH on it. Look at this. Somewhat dry. Watch. You can see it in the sun. Look how quick that thing is being soaked up. It was just wet a second ago. It's drying up. One more time. Look at that brick right there. It's not evaporating. It's not hot. It's being soaked up. This is why I like to wet my brick before I put SH on it. Plans. Not gonna surface clean, not gonna treat. The reason why is it came off pretty good. Now, this spot right here, focus. Needs to be painted, paint coming up. Needs to be painted, paint coming up. But for the most part, it's doing pretty damn good. So we're just gonna rinse. For the most part, it's doing pretty damn good. So we're gonna go ahead and continue rinsing, get the dirt out of here, then we're gonna get out of here. So this is it here. Once again, stayed away from the fan, stayed away from that socket, and that right there. Now it is wet, it's gonna take a little bit to dry, but all in all, got the dirt, cobwebs, a little bit of green all off. Anything that you do see remaining, like up here, all needs to be painted. Is either chipped up wood or it just needs to be painted all together. But that's what we got.